gosh. Baby macaw. Okay, so here we are in Parrot-Dise. 2.5 hours away. There's a cockatoo.
It's a little like scratchy, but not too scratchy.
We're waiting for more.
So this is the short-billed corella.
There we go. There's one on you. There's all the colorful birds. These are all Australian.
Stand up straight.
Stand it straight.
And you'll be able to
Stand it straiter.
Hold on, one second. I have.
if you're moving around.
Okay, hey, hold on.
This is easy.
So this cockatoo, I made it go on just so you know its food is fighting for her. Oh my gosh. You want me to knock it off?
No.
Okay. That's so funny. Is this exciting? Kind of scary but fun.
Well, I hate them because they always bite me.
Yeah, they always bite you.
It's in your hair.
It's tangled in this.
Oh yeah, now it's like tangled on your shirt. Oh, there we go. Oh.
What kind is this pink one?
Oh, black one.
Oh my gosh, yeah, there's a little feet.
Quite food aggressive.
Oh, okay.
So they will chase the other birds away.
There's one on my shoulder still. Hi. Some more birds.
I like the green ones. I think they're the prettiest.
Yeah. So cute.
I like the smaller
Oh,
ones.
look at the
A
blue
lot
one.
of budgies and cockatiels in here,
Look
even
at
though
the
they are
little white
native to
ones.
Australia. So these little ones are the budgies. Come in lots of different colours. Cockatiels are the ones with the crest.
Yeah.
Can I get
What is the
something?
little blue one?
Which one?
Oh yeah, there's.
Parakeet?
This one? This is an Indian ringneck parrot. This is a male. Females don't have the ring, like this lovely lady down here, although she looks like...
Bite my
This
shoe.
one likes shoes.
Yeah, they like feet. They just use your adjusted to keep them away. The cockatiels won't bite your feet. They're quite nice. I say as he goes to bite.
So there's Minnie Mouse. What do you have? Oh, whoa. That's awesome. So you got 2 little parrots on you.
It's eating food off of your hair. Like it's making like a mess all over your hair. You got one. You got one. They did like your feet. Oh wait, watch out. There we go. See, it's not eating you. You're totally fine. You gotta have a bird. Here we go.
Help me. It's on my camera.
Yeah, my
come
phone.
on.
Where's my phone? Yeah, my phone? No. Valerie has my phone?
Oh, it's in my back pocket. There we go. This was the one that was on my camera. Woo. Well, it just said, what
you doing? I'm seeing birds.
It says, what
you doing? What you doing?
Oh my gosh. That was so cool.
Here, Eva, do you want to feather this one? Can
That
you
one's
feather
pretty
it?
cool. Feather.
Here, give it to me. Give it to me.
Off you go. It's on me. It just keeps on going.
On your hat.
Oh yeah, it's on your hat.
Is it all off?
Okay, I think we are about to leave Parrot-Dise. Wait.
I had another. Okay, here, wait. Nope, I don't think so.
Oh my gosh.
It's my friend. He's asking me what I'm doing.
What are you doing? This is Billy. Hi, Billy.
Oh. The golden pheasant.
No, when you're done.
Okay, so there's macaw. Oh my gosh. gosh. Baby macaw.
80 years old.
Yeah, cockatoo. 80 years old.
That's crazy. It's like, I had 3 owners die in this time I've
That's
He
cute.
talks really well as well.
That's really amazing.
Wow.
So cockatoos can live up, sulfur-crested cockatoos can live up to about 100. I think the oldest one was recorded at 120.
Oh.
Oh, I think
That's a biting one.
the biting one likes you.
Yeah.
They're so cute.
Baby.
So when they're babies, you feed them?
Yeah.
Or, okay.
So we feed them from 3 weeks old. Every 4 hours or so.
How do you feed them?
With a syringe.
Oh, okay.
Yep, they get syringe.
They don't have hands, so they use their face.
Oh, God.
I know, Harry. You're such a good boy. Look at this board. If you want to step up, that one is. It's like
Yeah. What's this one doing? Like dancing?
the noise.
Yeah.
This one's paying attention.
Yeah. I got several. Oh, look at you. There's a couple.
And then stay for the photo.
Oh.
Good job. It looks like it should be fake.
Yeah. Pretty.
I like this.
Golden pheasant.
Pushing on the door.
Beautiful. Okay, here. Guys, right here.
Yeah, an amazing view.
An amazing view right there. Hey guys, where are we driving?
The Grand Canyon!
Whoa, wow. Yeah, the Grand Canyon, Anna. There's 5 little boys in the car, and it looks like Max has a dirty face from eating. Yeah, and there's little baby Eli back there, and all our stuff. We're on a road trip. You can see the mountains. It's a little bit of red. Yeah. We saw a little bit of snow. Maybe we'll see some more snow. That'd be really cool.
Hey Dino, where are we? Wait, where are we? The Grand Canyon. Do you like it? What state are we in? Are we in Arizona or Utah? Yep, Arizona. I'm actually everybody's first time to this part of the Grand Canyon. Yep, I've never been here. I've only been to the north side of the Grand Canyon. Are you happy to be at the Grand Canyon, huh, buddy? Aw, I like your teeth. I can see your teeth now, huh? So here are some more beautiful views of the Grand Canyon. I love the different colors and the shadows from the canyon. While we were at the Grand Canyon, we went on a few hikes and we also saw some animals. We saw tons of deer and even a raven. I think my favorite viewpoint from the south rim of the Grand Canyon is Desert View. There's this really cool tower and there's Wyatt. Hi Wyatt, he's looking out the window. Oh, and there's Toby. Hey Toby. Want to say hi? Can you say hi? Hi. Hey. What is that? Yeah, you can eat it. Well, it's like clumpy. Woohoo! Well, I think we've seen enough of the Grand Canyon. Now we are going to continue our road trip. And we are headed to the Lake Powell area that is in southern Utah. Wow, it looks so beautiful up ahead. Those mountains are just so gorgeous. Okay, here we are. There's Dino, and we are going to hike up this little mountain and see Horseshoe Bend. That's pretty, huh? What are you bearing?
Yeah, your Lego guy's in there. Can you get him out?
Yeah, absolutely. Wait, now I can.
Okay.
Pew, 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 pew.
Cute.
Well, AllToyCollector fans, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please check out more videos by AllToyCollector and have a great day.